Ano bang gagawin natin dito? Ipagpuproceed kayo without any hearing me out?
Are you trying to steal the show?
No.
Why are you so
Then you should not
protective of
judge.
the Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings if you will not allow me raise this point. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Discaya and Bryce Hernandez. Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No, that's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo eh.
You're
An investigator, we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.